There is something that is grounding about the legal process here, right? I mean, ultimately, January 6th happened, and they have revisionist history about January 6th, and they're playing the January 6th choir and talking about them as martyrs and all this stuff. But you know what? 1,000 people got prosecuted and hundreds of people went to jail. And those people's lives are forever changed. And that has inflected, I think, the degree to which Trump supporters are willing to go out and do the kinds of things he's asking them to do.
In New York, you saw thousands of children and teenagers protesting in Nashville yesterday, asking for common sense gun laws. But here in New York City, you didn't see the shaman.
Even when Trump demanded it. And there is something that's going on with Trump now where we've got this alternate reality. Like, as Vaughn was saying, people are hearing him talk about the classified documents case in a way that's supposed to make them think X about it. Right. Well, that's sort of fine. Unless and until the classified documents case ends up adjudicated in a court of law, in which case your bumper sticker is not admissible. Right? These things only exist so far in terms of competing narratives about the way we understand the world until they get tested in a court of law where the rule is evidence. And that has a normalizing effect. It has it grounds things in reality by default. And that's the process that we're in now with Trump for the first time.
And it makes it so nuts that, again, Alvin Bragg and Fani Willis are having to go first. I mean, it makes the vacuum created by DOJ not looking at his conduct specifically after January 6th until well after the Mar-a-Lago investigation is roaring along. I mean, because you're right. It's all in with the Republican Party breaking bad and not serving as a braking system. You know, Mitch McConnell thinks he's a criminal because he gave a speech on the floor of the Senate saying, oh, I won't vote to indict, but the criminal justice system is there, wink, wink. I mean, we know what Republicans actually think of him. I can't imagine there were many elected Republicans, if any. Right.
It is amazing to me that on the 55th anniversary of Dr. King's murder, that these two black prosecutors might have to redeem the soul of America when it comes to Donald Trump.
And bear the brunt of it.
And bear the brunt of it, bear the security risk, bear the sort of risk of their reputations, that they have to take this all on in two states, in New York and in Georgia, when it is the literal job of our federal government to protect our federal elections. I think it is a scandal on the Justice Department that this has become the job of Alvin Bragg and of Fani Willis. It is a stain on the Justice Department. They're supposed to protect our federal elections. It is their literal job.
The Justice Department role here started with SDNY, as Nicole was arguing earlier, investigating the case that resulted in Michael Cohen going to prison.
That's right.
And Pecker getting immunity.
And Pecker getting immunity, absolutely. And the Justice Department in that case put Michael Cohen in prison. They got him to allocute in court. They get an allocution in court saying, I did this for Donald Trump. He is individual one. This was committed with him for his benefit. And then nothing. And we know from Jeffrey Berman's book, he was U.S. attorney at the time, he said the Trump main justice appointees came in and sat on us and said, you cannot investigate this any further. You cannot do it. And then after Trump left office and those appointees were no longer there, SDNY just decided to cruise away from that oil spill and hope the shorebirds would take care of it. I'm sorry. Like, they didn't even put down boom to contain that mess. Like, they just kept cruising away. I mean, literally, the U.S. attorney for SDNY wrote a book saying this was corrupt. This was corrupt. This was wrong. And we just left it there.
That's it.
And now we're seeing, as you say, Alvin Bragg. We're seeing Fani Willis. We're seeing Tish James. We're seeing these other prosecutors who shouldn't have to bear this brunt picking up little pieces of it because DOJ and SDNY dropped it, while SDNY and DOJ are feeling very smug about how independent and they are and how much they are, do these things without fear or favor. And it's a shonda.